Welcome to Treecut Tech, the ultimate destination for logging enthusiasts. Check out the powerful machines and logging chainsaws. If you like the roar of chainsaws and the power of heavy equipment, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Welcome to Treecut Tech. In the heart of the dense forest, under the cover of night, the Etolog 590E Logmax 7000C roars to life. Its powerful headlights pierce the darkness, illuminating the towering trees. With precision and strength, the machine locks onto its target, ready to execute a perfect harvest. By daylight, the Ponce Elephant AF8W showcases its engineering prowess. The hydraulic arms gracefully lift massive logs, stacking them with precision. A testament to power and efficiency, this machine ensures nothing goes to waste. The HYPRO 765 HB strips the eucalyptus bark with unparalleled speed. Beneath its efficient touch, the rough exterior gives way to smooth, workable timber. In the forest clearing, the Wallenstein WP525 stands firm, splitting hefty logs into smaller pieces. Each precise cut makes the timber ready for use, ensuring maximum utility. With mechanical precision, the Komatsu PC200LC crushes massive logs into smaller chips. These fragments are destined for recycling, showcasing the machine's versatility and sustainability. At the production site, the LT40 wood miser slices through logs with surgical precision. Each cut transforms rough timber into smooth planks, paving the way for new creations. Equipped with the Levisepi Elitari, the John Deere 7700 drills deep into the base of the stump. It's a strategic move in the relentless effort to clear the land. Disaster strikes as heavy machinery sinks deep into the mud. Workers rally together, employing every tool and ounce of determination to free the trapped behemoth. The stakes are high, but the resolve is higher. In the depths of the forest, a worker dons protective gear and wields a chainsaw against a colossal trunk. With splinters fly as the saw bites deeper, the air filled with the sound of raw power. Suspended high above the ground, a worker methodically cuts sections of a tree. Each piece falls precisely, showcasing skill and courage in equal measure. High above the ground, workers used large chainsaws to prune heavy branches. The chainsaws roared as they cut through the wood. One final cut, and the tree fell with a loud crash, marking another successful operation. With raw power and unmatched traction, the extreme skidder Equus 175N conquers rugged terrains. Mud sprays in every direction as it drags colossal logs to their next destination, an embodiment of relentless efficiency. The Gen's HEM 820 operates with seamless precision, reducing large logs into tiny wood chips, a vital step in modern forestry processes. Fully loaded with timber, the truck glides smoothly along the open road. Behind it, the lush greenery of the forest serves as a reminder of nature's bounty and the importance of sustainable practices.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching these giant machines in action, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. More incredible footage to come. See you in the next video.